Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we present the 9 innovative tools and gadgets for everyday use. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 9. Quick Change Holder. The Binoax 60mm Quick Change Bit Holder is a must-have tool for anyone who frequently works with electric drills or hand drills. With a 1/4 inch hex handle and self-locking design, it offers a secure grip and quick bit changes. The 3-claw turn mechanism ensures firm bit attachment, making it reliable for precise drilling tasks. Compact and durable, this connecting rod is an essential addition to your toolkit, whether for home improvement or professional projects. Number 8. Wireless Cable PowerBank. The wireless with built-in cable PowerBank is a portable powerhouse designed for convenience. With a 10,000 mAh capacity and 20-watt PD fast charging, it can handle multiple devices, including iPads, iPhones, and even Apple Watches. Its built-in cable eliminates the need for carrying extra wires, and its compact design makes it perfect for travel. Whether you're on a long trip or just need backup power, this power bank ensures you stay connected effortlessly. Number 7. Electric Glue Gun. The Yofidra Electric Hot Melt Glue Gun is a game-changer for DIY enthusiasts. Powered by a Makita 18-volt battery, this cordless glue gun is compact and easy to use. The copper glue nozzle ensures smooth, continuous glue flow, while the ceramic PTV thermal element provides rapid heating. Its intelligent chip maintains optimal temperatures, preventing overheating for safe operation. Ideal for various applications like plastics, metals, wood, and crafts, this glue gun is a versatile tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 6. Titanium Paper Cutter. The titanium paper cutter is more than just a utility knife. It's an all-in-one multi-tool. Made from titanium alloy, this knife features a trapezoidal blade, crowbar, can opener, screwdriver, wrench, ruler, and more. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, craftsmen, or anyone who values preparedness. Its sleek design and durable construction make it an excellent gift for anyone who enjoys practical tools with a touch of innovation. Number 5. Rocket Launcher Toy. The Rocket Launcher Toy is an exciting water-based game that turns any garden or lawn into a summer playground. Attach a garden hose to the thrust controller to balance and launch the rocket on a water stream. The rocket sprays water from its nose cone, creating a fun challenge for kids to run under the water spray. With DIY stickers for customization, this toy encourages creativity and engagement. It's an ideal summer gift for kids, offering hours of interactive play and refreshment. Number 4. Double-Sided Pan. The double-sided sandwich pan is your go-to kitchen tool for making quick and delicious meals. Crafted from high-quality die-cast aluminum, this non-stick grill pan evenly heats food for efficient cooking. Its foldable design saves space, while the heat-resistant handle ensures safe handling. Perfect for sandwiches, pancakes, omelets, and more, this compact breakfast machine is ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or offices. Number 3. Electric Weed Eater. The Lusky Electric Weed Eater is a powerful and convenient tool for lawn care. With a 21-volt cordless design and an LED display, it offers precise control for trimming and edging your yard. The retractable shaft allows easy adjustments, making it comfortable for users of all heights. Lightweight yet robust, this weed whacker is perfect for maintaining a neat and tidy lawn without the hassle of cords or fuel. Number 2. Multifunctional Folding Shovel. The Multifunctional Shovel Kit is an outdoor enthusiast's dream tool. This 83cm kit includes 15 different tools, from a flashlight with 3 lighting modes to a detachable shovel that can transform into an axe or pickaxe. Whether you're camping, gardening, or handling emergency situations, this kit has you covered. Its innovative design and durable construction make it an essential item for survival and outdoor adventures. Number 1. Large Toilet Holder. The large toilet paper holder combines functionality and convenience. This wall-mounted holder not only stores extra rolls, but also features a storage tray and phone stand. Perfect for bathrooms with limited space, it keeps essentials within easy reach. Its sleek and modern design complements any decor, making it a practical addition to any home. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.